Welcome to the Washington Alaskan Malamute Adoption League, WAMAL, and today here at Mallee Valley, we proudly present Rainy. Rainy is a 2.5-year-old fixed male who weighs in at 90 pounds. He's a Washingtonian through and through and loves car rides, especially those en route to a hike so he can let off some of his boundless energy. He does well playing with other dogs, but not when it comes to dinner. He's definitely a table for one kind of guy. He knows a few basic commands like sit, paw, and down, and takes treats gently. His hobbies include playing with the ball, digging holes, and trying to bury toys. If you're interested in either fostering or adopting Rainy, please get in touch with us and we can arrange a meet and greet here at Mallee Valley in Puyallup.